Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today is an unboxing. So not long ago, I actually posted a video about a bra company. Now, you normally don't see stuff like this on my channel, on this channel, but I kind of wanted to share my experience because it was really not that great of an experience. Customer service was horrible. I'm not going to get into details. I will put that video's link at the end of this video so you can go check it out. I will say though that I was a little concerned because I was double billed. But update on that, I'm no longer double billed. They fixed the charges to where they're supposed to be. And I'll have to say, they got this package out really quick. It's only been like, I think 2 days. So maybe they'll redeem themselves? Well, let's open this up and check it out. All right, when I look on here, this actually came from Georgia. I am at my mom's house in Florida. So that's probably one reason why it came so fast. It didn't have to come from very far away. Okay, let me look at everything that's in here. We have a catalog. So we have a $10 coupon. $10? Yeah, $10. You have unused credits, $10. So I guess it's like a coupon. And then we have a 20% off. I'm not going to give you the code. I'm not for sure if I'm supposed to do that or not. But anyway, this is a catalog that shows everything in there. We got some stickers. Some of them are good stickers. Some of them, I mean, I don't know. Where would I put that? But anyway, there they are. There's the stickers. What's in here? I got 3 packages. Okay, so I think this is the freebie. We'll do the freebie first. Yeah. So, oh, this is interesting. It's not what I thought it was. So it is like a suck it in thing. I thought these were like longer. I'm actually think I like this better. It says they are all day high-waisted shaper panty. So I'll have to see. Maybe this will help me suck my fat gut in. But that was a freebie. They have nice little Ziploc baggies that are definitely reusable. I could put some of my crafts and stuff in there. And now for the bras. Supportive Comfort Wireless Shape. They're both, I think they're the same bra. One of them I was ordering, and then they gave me like a discount if I got another one. All right, here we go. Here is the bra. I like that we have a V-neck here. I got a size medium. Here is the closure. So we have 4 areas and 3 hook and eye. I will have to say, one of the things that I do like about this, most bras that you order, the padding that's in there, they come out. I don't like them to come out. Whenever I wash them, and I wash them on delicate cycle, I don't put them in the dryer, they always come out, and they're hard to put back in. And I like to have them in there. I mean, I think they call them modesty pads or something like that. It just covers up things. Also gives you some support. But let's see, one of the things I wanted to check out. So we have, this is interesting. See the bottom here? I'm hoping it's not. The issue I have is that this tends to roll up on me. It'll be interesting to see. In fact, I'm going to put it on. I'm not going to show you what it looks like on, but I will put it on, put my shirt back on, and then we'll look at the other one, because I think they're the same. Yes. I'll be right back. All right, we'll have to see how this works. Not really for sure. It's better than the Atomic Copper ones, I'll have to say that. Let me show you the one that I love so much that I can't find anymore. Let's see, what's this company? The company is that. And it's a small. And I've had this for a long time, but they don't make this bra anymore. Let me mute my notifications. But I like this because the band is stiff, and so it stays put. When I measure, I take this bra that I've been wearing, and I measure from the top here to the bottom, and I'm going to compare. Now, one thing I'll have to say I like about these new bras, I can adjust the shoulders. That's a good thing. But if you look here, look at that. Everything is so short. I mean, that is a lot shorter. They need to come down further. So let's look at this a little bit closer. I wanted to show you, I mentioned before, the straps are adjustable. You can actually remove this on both sides and crisscross it in the back. See if this says anything. It just says supportive comfort wireless shaping bra. So there's no wire, which is fantastic. And I'll have to say, like I mentioned before, there's 4 little rows here. I have it on the 3rd one. So from what I understand with bras, when you first get a bra, you're supposed to have it on the most loosest, and as your bra wears out, you get it tighter and tighter. So I am only going to have 1 more to go. So I'm not for sure I could really wear a small, although that brown one's a small. Don't know. I do think these are going to be okay. Are they the most comfortable, best bras in the whole world like they're advertising? I don't know. At this point, I do know I'm wearing a bra. I know a lot of people say, I don't even know I'm wearing one, but I definitely know I'm wearing one. So the jury is still out. I'll have to say I am going to keep them. I need bras really bad. Will this be my forever bra? We'll have to see. I'm going to have to wear it around for a while. But I'm curious. Let me know down in the comment section below what your experience has been on bras. What is your go-to bra? Also, have you ever tried Shapermint? And let me know what you think of that bra. And thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.